Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. Before I start this video today, I just want to thank everyone who's subscribed to my channel. It's just hit 30,000 subscribers, so that's pretty amazing. And I just wanted to say thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Alright, in today's video I'm going to be making some cold processed soap. It's scented with Mimosa and Mandarin. So the supplier has given this as a description of the fragrance. Crisp dew fruit, mandarin oranges, tangerines, and sweet berries. A combination of pineapples, mimosa blossom, peaches, plums, fruits, jasmine, and soft lavender, with a base of lily and vanilla. This is really beautiful. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description below. So I was told by one other soaper that their version of this discolored, but I found that it didn't discolor at all. I'm using yellow and orange mica, and for the other part of this I'm using titanium dioxide, which makes the batter white. So I'm going to be using a coat hanger swirl on this design, and hopefully it comes out really nice. So here's my question for you. If you were to make this soap with this fragrance, would you have added an extra color? I've only added yellow, orange, and white. But would you have added a fourth color or left it as it is? Let me know in the comments below. So this came out great. I'm really happy with the results of this. The swirls look really beautiful and the smell is just amazing. I've had it sitting on the shelf for a couple of weeks now and the fragrance is still there, just as strong as it was the day I made it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.